What is going on, Ape Nation? So here's another short clip for you guys because you guys have expressed so many times in the comments that you really enjoy these and told me to keep these coming. So I've got these coming and we're going to get right into the video. But before we do, ladies and gentlemen, please go ahead and smash that like button to help spread this video to more apes. Also, if this is your first time here, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, tap that bell so you never miss a video just like this one. And of course, we want you to join our growing ape family. But enough of that, let's go ahead and get into the video.
Citadel, Mr. Griffin, in 2020, Citadel violated regulation SHO, which governs short selling. Citadel is now involved in another short selling problem, and Robinhood routes half of its customers' orders to you. Robinhood halts buying on a position that you're long on, and you own the hedge fund and the clearing broker. What is there to prevent you from taking advantage of that situation and making sure you profit off the confusion and retail investors?
Congressman, I'm trying to understand the question.
Let me give it to you again. In 2020, Citadel violated regulation SHO, which governs short selling. Citadel is now involved in another short selling problem, and Robinhood routes half of its customers to you, orders to you. Robinhood halts buying on a position that you're long on, and you own the hedge fund and the clearing broker. What is there to prevent you from taking advantage of that situation and making sure you profit off the confusion of retail investors?
So in no particular order, I just do not understand the reference to us owning a clearing broker. We do not own DTCC. We do not control DTCC. We are not party to the discussion, dialogue, or demands between DTCC and Robinhood. So I do not understand the premise of the question, because we have literally nothing to do with DTCC other than being a member of DTCC for providing settlement services for us and for doing real-time trade affirmation and clearing. Now, Citadel Securities owes a duty of best execution for every order that comes from Robinhood. And I will tell you that I'm incredibly proud of how seriously my team takes that duty of best execution. Some of the most earnest, hardworking, and thoughtful people that I've ever met in my life work on our retail execution business here at Citadel and take great pride in the execution quality that we give to each and every trader, not only at Robinhood, but at every single one of the retail.
Thank you for your response, Mr. Gill. But I understand that you made your position known on Gamestop as far back as 2019 and are lauded as a diamond hands hero by Wall Street bets community. Have you ever previously experienced or observed the type of restrictions Robinhood and other applications performed on January 28th?
Thank you, Congressman. No, I have not.
While I have you here, I wanted to quickly tell you about the brand new First Trade app, available for mobile or PC. The platform will give you access to powerful and easy to use tools and allows you to trade with less restrictions, zero commissions, zero fees, and you can use the first link in the description below to download a free stock today without having to deposit any money. This will greatly help out the channel and is always appreciated. And now back to your regularly scheduled programming. Congrats, ladies and gentlemen, you've made it to the end of the video. If you like what you watched, make sure you subscribe because I put out videos just like this one every single day. And please do me a favor and smash that like button if I helped you in any way, because it really goes a long way in helping the channel out and keeps me motivated to make videos every single day. Now, there's a lot of work involved, a lot of research, and a lot of time and effort into editing and putting these out daily for you guys. You can subscribe from your screen right now, or if you want to watch one of my other videos, I'm sure YouTube has some good content picked out for you on the left-hand side of your screen now. Thanks for sticking it out with me till the end, and I will see you guys in the next video.